Hi, W6DKW here. We're going to explore a AM band filter. Been having trouble lately with AM station nearby. It's about 5 blocks away, and it's 1 kilowatt, but still it's causing a lot of grief to the front end of my HF rig. I have the XIEGU G90, and we're gonna try to clear that up. Yeah, bought a few filters off website, and we'll see what we can do. W6DKW Dan, testing some filters. Yes, know thy enemy. So this is basically what we're dealing with. I'll show you on my radio in the car.
Absolutely. So I was raised in the church as a young kid. But
So
I had a lot of questions.
this is 1450 AM, and I'm going to get out of the car because I'm right next to the radio station tower. Alright, so hope you can see a tower behind me. Yeah, there it is. That's that back there is 1450, and it's about 6-7 blocks away from where I live. It's about 1 kilowatt. Let's see if I can see the antenna. It's a remote powered and remote operated AM transmitter right there, and definitely causing me some grief. I'm only about 6 or 7 blocks away, maybe 2,500 yards, I'd say, and definitely causing me a little bit of issue. Okay, back at the QTH here. I wanted to let you guys see my setup. It's kind of like starting to put together some gear for POTA activation. So I have a XIEGU G90 and a Fed Halfwave. So I'm going to turn the camera around. This is the QRP guys Fed Halfwave. I'll flip it around so you can see the other side. And it's a little kit you throw together. It comes with the toroidal core and some magnet wire, and you do the wrapping yourself and the soldering. The PC board makes it kind of cool. A little BNC connector here at the bottom for your connection to your coax. But this is the wire. It's 65 foot. It's going up to that tree up there. Then I have a coax, probably about 30 feet or so. And it's coming over here to my XIEGU G90 I have sitting on the table. It's very noisy. I have that AM station. It's so, just totally messing up my receive here. I'm going to turn the camera around. Hopefully you can see. This is just god-awful noise everywhere. This is 20-meter band. I just can't get away from it. So the plan is to do some A and B tests. I'm going to test this filter right here. This one's made by Morgan Systems. This is the M400X, and it's basically a AM broadcast band Bandstop filter. Everything above like 3.5 megahertz will go through, so that's just south of the 80-meter band, and everything above that will go through. Everything below that will get stopped. So this is what it sounds like without the filter. I got stuff going on everywhere. Let's do it. Jeez, that's the next band up, 18 megahertz. 14 megahertz. It's there. 10 megahertz. You can just make out the audio. It's an AM band transmitter. It's 1450 AM, I think, but it's just nailing me every band I go to. So I'm going to insert the filter, and I'll be right back. Okay, we got the filter installed. Again, this is the Morgan Systems model M400X. X is in X-ray. And it's got an inline with a little short jumper cable to the back of the XIEGU G90 radio. So, filter, short jumper, rear of the XIEGU G90. Now let's see what we got. Turn the volume up here a little bit.
Romeo Alpha, Romeo Alpha, Alpha Lima 7 Kilo Charlie, Whiskey Alpha 7 Romeo Alpha Romeo. Best band of the day, Mike. About a 5.7 or better, good. Getting kind of rough. It's kind of noisy on this band. I didn't quite catch the strength. What was my strength?
Okay, so that's 20 meters. Let's drop down. This was totally unusable. This is right at 10 megahertz. Then we're going down.
Drying up already. Right on. Well, one more day left, bro. So then you're back in it.
So we're down at 80 meters. There's a little bit of, it sounds like 60 hertz hum, but a lot less.
My first job wasn't as glamorous, but it was
A lot less QRM from the AM station for sure. Let's go back up.
We'll see ya. Hey, thanks, 73. Okay, this is...
Let's go up one more. That's nice and quiet there now. Let's go up to 21 megahertz and doing about the same. A lot less noise from that AM station. Now I'm going to put the take the filter out one more time, just so you can see again. So, okay, I took the filter out. And we got some noise again. Lots. Everywhere. Let's go down one. That's 18 megahertz. I just cannot get away from it. 10, 7 megahertz, 80 meter band. Well, there you have it. Pretty sure that filter works. I transmitted through it. I was able to get a quick QSO on 20 meters to a Parks on the Air gentleman, and he was in Nevada. So I know I can make contacts through it. It's basically insertion loss of about half a dB, and the little jumper probably another half a dB, so not a lot. But yeah, I'm definitely going to continue using this filter here at the QTH. It does a really good job. Anyway, that's it for this test. W6DKW. We're out. Couple extra notes. Some people have asked me about the little kickstand that I have for the XIEGU G90. That's a 3D printed kickstand, and the original artwork for it came from Thingiverse, and I'll put the link down below in the comments. And you can just search for XIEGU G90 kickstand, and it actually folds underneath the unit and comes out. It mounts on one screw right there on the side. Next thing was the little sun shield. This is a sun shield actually for a video rig, camera with like a 5-inch LCD screen. So this would be the sun screen for that 5-inch LCD panel, and it's from a company called Small Rig, and I got that off of Amazon. So, and it almost matches the XIEGU G90. It gives me a little bit of a shade from the sun so I can see the display. And that's it. W6DKW out.